Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tea restaurant style. First, gather your essential ingredients: quality black tea leaves, evaporated milk, and sugar. You'll also need a sturdy teapot and a fine mesh strainer. Make sure your water is freshly boiled for the best flavor extraction. Finally, have your serving cup ready to go. This preparation ensures a smooth process. Now, let's brew the tea. Add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of your chosen black tea leaves into the teapot. Carefully pour 250 milliliters of freshly boiled water over the leaves. Allow the tea to steep for 3 to 5 minutes. This is crucial for a strong, flavorful base. Give it a gentle stir to ensure all the leaves are fully infused. For that authentic restaurant touch, try the pulling technique. Carefully pour the steeped tea back and forth between 2 containers, like 2 teapots or a large mug. Repeat this process several times to aerate the tea. This creates a lovely frothy texture and truly enhances the flavor. Then, strain the tea into your serving cup. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of evaporated milk to your strained tea. Then, stir in 1 to 2 teaspoons of sugar, adjusting to your personal taste preference. Feel free to customize the sweetness and creaminess as you like. Serve your delicious, restaurant-style tea immediately and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.